Hello there and welcome to the Mobile Academy. And if you want to become a job ready Flutter developer, make sure to check out the courses on my website mobileacademy.io. Here you will find all of the courses related to the Flutter development. You will find the professional course as well as the basic course related to the Flutter. You can also find some of the free courses over here if you want to just go and try it out, or if you are just a beginner on the Flutter and then the React Native, you can also find the free course over here. And if you would like to be a full stack developer, we also have the course related to the full stack developer, related to the Node.js, Express, MongoDB, as well as the Flutter over here. And if you would like to join the Flutter bootcamp, there is also a bootcamp course over here. So make sure to go and check out the course over here. There are free and then they paid course. And if you want to be a job ready Flutter developer, this is the course that you want to take. So see you guys on the next lesson. Till then, have a great day. Let us continue with our lesson over here, and in this particular lesson let's go to the add user over here. And previously we had made use of the ref.listen, and there is one more which is of the listen manual. So if I copy this particular code from here, and if I go and paste it below this one, let's just go and paste it in the top of this one, and let's rename this one as a listen manual over here. And in here I can just go and replace this one listen with the listen manual over here. And if you go and read the documentation for this one, you'll see the listen to a provider and call listener whenever the value changes. The as opposed to the listen manual is safe to be used within the is not safe to use within the build method of the widget. Instead, listen manual is designed to be used inside of the init widget or init state or the state or any other state lifecycle, which basically means that this particular listen manual is not designed to be used inside of our build method. Previously we saw that we use a listener inside of our build method, right? So it was recommended for us for this particular listener or the listen to be used inside the build method. If you read the documentation over here, the listen method should exclusively be used within the build method of the widget, right? It doesn't mention that you can use it outside of this particular build method. And I had mentioned you that it should not be used outside of the build method as well. And I hope you have went through and read the documentation already. So in case you want to make use of the listen functionality, but not in the build method, outside of the build method. So for that, what we can do is we can just go and make use of the listen manual over here. So we just have to change the listen to the listen manual. And what we have to do is we should not call inside of the build method over here, but we should call this one in the init method. So let's just go and call the listen manual over here. And now let's just go and rebuild this one. And now once we have that, let's go to and let's just go and add let us go and try to add some user over here. Let me just go and key in some user, and now you can see that it's working perfectly fine. Let me just go and add the new one as well. Let's just go and add it over here, and let's just go and it's working completely fine over here. And let's also go and test it out about the error as well. So each added should be commented and user should not be updated as well. So let's just go and rebuild, and let's just go and try to test this one over here. So let's just go and add the new user over here, and you'll see that it's working completely fine over here. And if I go back and if I come in, you will not see that particular error. And if I try to go and try to add this one, it's going to create that particular error. So that's working completely fine. So what we learned over here is, in case or if you want to listen to the changes in your provider but not in the build method, you want to implement it in the init state, then you can just go and make use of the listen manual over here, as the document has mentioned over here. It has mentioned that the listen manual returns, okay, so it's not here. As opposed to the listen manual is not safe to be used within the build method, right? We should not, which basically means that we should not use in the build method of the widget. Instead, we should use it inside of the init state, right? Or any other lifecycle event of your widget. So that's all, I guess, and you should go and read this particular documentation as well, and make sure to go and read the documentation, the official documentation as well. And in this lesson we'll learn about the listen manual. So that's all, and let's meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day.